a full unit, and this is a one more memory, 8 plus 8, so it's become 16 GB now. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you the HP ProBook 440 G11 laptop upgrade options. This is the model, how it looks. It's Ultra 7 14-inch laptop ProBook. This is the laptop look, HP ProBook 440 G11 Ultra 7 laptop. It comes with 8 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, 14-inch screen with the fingerprint reader, smooth mousepad, a nice keyboard with a backlight. This is a power button with indicator. It's a 14-inch screen, WUXGA screen. These are the connections: HDMI, USB, Type C, headphone jack. It's a slim design. Other side you can see Ethernet port, lock system, and USB and dummy card reader. So let's see the upgrade option. This is the backside look. These are the screws we need to open: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these tools I'm using to open the screws: screwdriver and a metal splinter and plastic splinter. And this is the memory I'm going to upgrade, 8 GB DDR5. So let's start to upgrade. So these are the screws we need to remove. Total 5 screws in the back side. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Support my channel. So these are the 5 screws after removing. I'm using this splinter to open the backside cover. Yeah, this is a inside ProBook upgrade options. M.2 NVMe is here, and here 2 memory slot, and this is a battery. This is a model number RX03XL. This is the battery. So before upgrading, just to remove the battery connection, and this is a 2 memory slot, DDR5 5600B. I'm just going to show you the memory speed of the existing memory. You can see 5600B DDR5. So let's upgrade the memory. So total, and this is the one more memory, 8 plus 8. So it's become 16 GB now. So one M.2 NVMe slot and 2 memory slot. So this is the internal option of HP ProBook G11 Ultra 7 model. Here you can see the specification: 16 GB, memory is upgraded, Ultra 7 processor, 512 GB SSD. This is a full unit, memory is upgraded. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel.